Hi guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Money Talks UAE. My channel, guys, is all about how to make money, how to save money, and how to invest your money, especially if you are living in the UAE. I am living in the UAE and I am not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you guys my experience as a person who likes to invest money to of course, achieve the most important goal, and that is financial freedom. So, if that's what interests you and that's your goal, make sure, guys, to watch my videos. I'm always sharing with you a very informative videos, such as this one that I'm going to do now. So, today's video, guys, is about gold. So, as you know, gold is very popular around the world, and a lot of people they think that gold is a very smart way to invest money. So in this video, I'm gonna just give you some little detail about if it's really true that the gold is gonna make you wealthy or no, or if it's a smart idea to invest in gold in general. So let's go and see what's going on. And as you know, guys, the UAE is one of the biggest markets in gold, and you can find gold anywhere, and the price is relatively cheaper than a lot of countries around the world. So let's just take a look at this PowerPoint slider, and we're gonna see exactly what's going on. And I'm trying to make these things as simple as possible, so it's not gonna make things complicated for you. So investing in gold, pros and cons. So let's go. And why we should invest in gold, and if it's gold is a good idea to invest in 2021 or even next year or whatever. So is it a good thing or no? So yes, actually it has some pros, and I'm gonna tell you why it's a good thing, and also it has some cons, so some drawbacks, and I'm gonna tell you about it later. So easy to liquidate. As you know, guys, gold is very easy to buy, and it's also very easy to sell. So if you have gold, doesn't matter if it is a physical amount, or you have a online ETF, or you bought something online that is considered as gold asset. So all of that stuff is easy to liquidate, and you can sell and buy very easy. So it's a very good point actually to look at, because sometimes you might invest in a business or something, but you will not be able to get rid of it. So this is a good point. The next thing is hedging tool against inflation. So gold is really, really good if you are trying to escape or be against inflation. If you don't know, guys, what is inflation? Inflation is just like the cost of living that is changing by time. Like for example, the amount of money that you pay for a service, or for anything, let's say like just consumable stuff like bread or something. Bread, for example, costs you 1 dirham in UAE. After 2 or 3 years, it's not gonna be 1 dirham. It's gonna be more for sure. So that's inflation for you. So the price of anything, it's not stable. It by the time the price will rise, and so your money is losing value by the time you're still having it. So that's why you should be always prepared for inflation, and you should not just save your money in a savings account and just keep it there untouched. You will not invest it, or you will not do anything with it. So by the time your money is still in the bank account, it's still losing the value. So you should always look for a way to beat inflation. So gold is one of the good assets that can help you beat inflation. The third one is create wealth. So this is not always possible, but sometimes gold can rise. The price of gold can rise pretty relatively, and it can make you a lot of money as well. So this is also a possibility that you can look at. And as you know, gold is the price of gold is not stable. Sometimes it's really high and sometimes it's low. So you really need to see exactly when you need to buy gold and when you can sell gold. Tangible resource, what does it mean? It means that this gold is not something that's going to be really difficult to invest in. It's really easy and safe. You just go and just convert your money and buy gold. So you just replace your money by gold, and that's the old thing that you're going to do. And vice versa, when you want to sell gold, you're going to get money instead of your gold. So that's all about how good is gold as an investment. So let's see the drawbacks and why some of you guys would not consider having gold as an investment. So the first thing is poor returns on physical gold. So this is an issue because gold doesn't give you a high amount of return by time. So this is not a very good investment, but it must be a good thing to have it as a diversified portfolio. So if you have a diversified portfolio, it means that you are investing in too many things. It can be like stock market, it can be a business, it can be cryptocurrencies, for example. And it's a smart move to put gold also as one of the assets of your investment. So this can be a bad and a good thing as well. So safety issues for storing. So this is a big issue actually, because safety is also very important, because you're gonna have a physical amount of gold and you have to store it somewhere. Let's say, for example, you're gonna keep it at your house, so your house can be can be accessible to people who can steal your money. So that's the problem. It's like it's always there's a possibility of losing this physical gold. So that's why storing is an issue for investing in gold. It's not like you invest with business or something like stock markets. Like your money is not accessible to anyone, it's only you that can be access to this stuff. So there is a risk. So that's what I'm telling you guys, there is a risk of storing gold at your house or at your friends or whatever. So that's why it's one of the drawbacks. And the last one is not a source of steady income. So this is also a big deal, because gold is not going to give you like monthly payments or passive income. It's not a passive income. It's just like a way to store your money. It's not going to give you any returns. So this can be also a drawback if you're just looking for a way to keep your money somewhere to beat inflation and don't have to worry about anything, and your house is safe, and you know that nobody's going to access your house and nobody's going to steal your stuff. So that's going to be also a good thing for you. But if you consider these drawbacks, so better not invest in gold. So ways to invest in gold, guys. This is how you will invest in gold. You have some three ways to invest in gold. So the first one is gold ETFs. So you can use the stock market as also a reliable source of investing in gold, and you can look for one of the best gold ETFs and do your research, do your review, and you will see that that's one is a good option. The good thing about ETFs, it's not storing at your house, so you're not gonna store gold at your house, so it's not gonna be a risky for you. So that's a good way of investing in gold. The second one is gold jewelry. So jewelries, guys, it's also a good way of investing in gold. But the only issue about it is that you are not only paying for gold itself, you're also paying for the person who make this jewelry, because this is also like a business, so you're paying for a service. So that's why you should, if you are willing to invest in gold, you should go for the third option, which is gold bars and coins. You just need to buy gold bars and that's it. It's not like a jewelry, because jewelry is like you are paying for the person who is making this jewelry. He's doing a service for you. He's not only selling for you gold, but he's selling for you a product. So this product is also gonna cost you a little bit more, and when you're gonna sell it, usually you're not gonna pay for this product, you're just gonna sell it as gold. So that's something that you have to consider. But if you are planning to use this jewelry, like you are most of the time you're going to like weddings or some parties, and you are a person who goes out a lot and you likes to wear jewelry, so that can be also a good thing for you. So that's it about investing in gold, guys. I've been showing you the pros and cons, and let's just go and see the price of gold. And as you can see, this is the price of gold. This is an international graph and showing you the price of gold for 1 ounce. So as you can see, the gold is always going up relatively. So you can see for the long term, I'm gonna put a 5-year chart, and you can see like it's always going up. And even in the 90s, it used to be like 280 for 1 ounce, and you can see it pushes back strongly. It has a little bit pushback, and then goes up again. So now it's in the highs, and that's gold for you guys. So gold is always going up, and that's why I'm telling you it's a good way to beat inflation. So better than nothing. So it's better, still better than storing your money in a bank account. So this is also a good investment plan that you can be doing. So make sure just to know your future plans when you are investing with gold. So let's say, for example, you're staying in UAE, you're gonna keep that amount of gold with you. Let's say storing it at your house. So maybe one day you're gonna have to go back to your country. So you need to also consider the possibility of taking your gold with you back home to your country. So if you're not planning to sell it, or you want to sell it in your country, maybe it's going to give you more profit. So you need to do your research and check your country's customs, because most of the countries they charge for this stuff. So you need to pay attention to that and read about the customs. Some countries will actually might allow you to bring gold without paying any custom payments or anything. So that's why you should do your research and check if you are planning to take with you gold to your home. So that's it, guys, about this video. One more way also to invest in gold is also using Sarwa. I already put a Sarwa review on how to use their trading platform. Sarwa Trade is also a way to buy ETFs. So if you want to buy gold ETF, you can also use Sarwa Trade. If you don't know anything about Sarwa, I'm gonna put a link in the description, and I have also a lot of videos about Sarwa that you can see and know how to use this platform, whether you want to invest in gold or you want to invest in general. You can use Sarwa and watch the videos that I'm gonna show you. They are currently making a welcome bonus for the new joiners. So if you register with my link that I'm gonna provide in the description below, you will be able to get a free $50 as a welcome bonus. So you just have to invest a minimum, which is a minimum amount of $5. So once you do that, and once you sign up with my link, this is the condition, because if you not use my link, you will not get this $50. So take advantage of that link, and once you register, invest $5, you're gonna get free $50 with Sarwa, and you can use Sarwa Trade to invest in gold. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to watch my previous videos and give me a subscribe and the like button if you like the video. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.